Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson and you need to remove or replace intake Vvt Solenoid, also known as variable timing solenoid. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. We'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 engine, but it actually may work on different generation 2.4 GDI engine and also other gasoline and diesel engines as well. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So this specifically right here, as we said, is a 2.4 engine guys. Now if you have different engine, 1.8, 2.0, okay, the procedure may be very close, even if you have the newer generation GDI. You will need to remove your upper engine cover. Usually it attaches with 4 bushings if you have that kind of cover, okay, and it attaches to the valve cover posts right here. Now looking at the engine guys, this right here is the intake side of your engine. That's the intake side. On the back side is the exhaust manifold, the exhaust side. So you will have, okay, this is a dual variable timing engine. It means that you have variable timing on the intake and the exhaust camshafts. So looking at it guys, this solenoid right here is the one for the intake, okay, camshaft, the variable timing solenoid here, and the one on the back side is for the exhaust camshaft guys. The one that we will be demonstrating how to replace is the intake Vvt solenoid that's located right here. So what we need to do now guys, okay, we're going to remove the PCV hose. If you have a clamp, you need to remove it. Ours doesn't have a clamp. Pull it that way. That's the connector right here. You push it first in to release the pressure, then press down and then disconnect it. Now here you may have a 10mm bolt or a Torx 30 star looking bit. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get the tools and parts from. So if you need to buy a new solenoid or tools, all that will be shared on our video guys in the description below. So the bolt is about to come out. Now those solenoids can be really stuck guys. Why? Because you have an O-ring that prevents engine oil from leaking out. And if you look at it guys, okay, if it doesn't want to come out, you might need to grab it with pliers to pull it out. Number one thing, those solenoids, okay, sometimes can just get dirty, okay, and quit working. Sometimes guys, okay, you can save them. Most of the times, I would say 90% of the time, okay, you can actually save them. Okay, this one is stuck, so we'll get it with the pliers. Okay, you're about to slip out, just pull, okay. And now those solenoids are controlled by engine oil. When the engine oil gets old, what can happen, you can build deposits, it can get dirty, it can start sticking. When that happens actually guys, at that point what can happen easily, you can actually have a slow sluggish solenoid that can trigger codes or having problems with the car not functioning correctly. So if you want to see how to test Vvt solenoid and clean it to save it guys, we have a video on the channel that explains how to do that, how to clean Vvt solenoid on Hyundai Tucson. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.